Filipino women are well known for their exotic beauty, a blend of various ethnic influences that create a truly unique and captivating appearance. This exotic appeal can be traced back through centuries of cultural mixing, particularly the Malay, Spanish, Chinese, and other influences that have shaped the Philippines. It's this blend that sets Filipinas apart, giving them a look that is strikingly different from many other Asian women in the world. One of the most noticeable features of Filipina beauty is their facial structure. Many have almond-shaped eyes, which can be both soft and expressive, often paired with high cheekbones that add to their sharp yet graceful appearance. The combination of these features creates an exotic look that captures the hearts of men worldwide. In addition to their facial features, Filipino women often possess naturally bronzed, sun-kissed skin that gives them a glowing, radiant look. This golden complexion has long been admired for its natural warmth, making them stand out in a crowd. It's the kind of beauty that seductively attracts so many men. Their beauty is further complemented by long, dark, and silky hair, which is often a defining feature of many Filipinas. This characteristic not only adds to their femininity, but also enhances their natural allure, framing their face and emphasizing their soft, delicate features. It's an unmistakable trait that complements their overall look. What makes Filipinas truly exotic, though, isn't just their physical features. It's the way these traits come together to form a unique blend of cultures, influences, and histories. Their beauty is timeless, yet distinct in every generation, making them exotic in the most profound sense of the word. This combination of natural beauty and cultural depth is what continues to make Filipino women so incredibly captivating. In addition to physical beauty, many Western men are attracted to Filipinas because of their soft and feminine nature. In contrast to the more career-focused or hardcore feminist ideals they may experience in the West, Filipinas often embody a more traditional approach to gender roles. They are often warm, nurturing, and supportive of their partners, qualities that Western men increasingly seek as they grow tired of the combative attitudes some modern women have towards traditional roles. Filipino women tend to embrace the role of being a loving and supportive partner, which is something many men feel is becoming harder to find in more modernized societies. Filipinas often value family and relationships, and make this an important part of their lives. This supportive attitude can be a breath of fresh air for men who feel alienated by the seemingly uncaring and male type of personalities women have adopted in the West. Many Filipinas maintain their natural beauty without using a lot of cosmetics, preferring authenticity, which is deeply appreciated by men looking for the natural beauty a woman offers. Filipino women are known for their flirtatious playfulness and open-minded nature, two qualities that make them incredibly attractive. When combined, these two traits create a personality that is both engaging and refreshing. Their flirtatious playfulness comes naturally, whether through smiles, laughter, or body language. Filipinas have a way of making others feel special and appreciated. Their charm is subtle and genuine, never forced or overwhelming. This lighthearted approach makes interactions fun, while keeping things easygoing and comfortable. The way they can playfully tease or joke around adds an element of excitement and joy to relationships, which many men find irresistible. On the other hand, Filipinas' open-mindedness complements their playful side beautifully. Growing up in a country with so many different cultures, they are exposed to a wide range of ideas and traditions, which helps them develop an accepting and adaptable outlook on life. This open-minded nature means they are willing to try new things and embrace new experiences, making them adventurous partners. I'd like to take a moment to ask everyone to please hit the like button if you're enjoying today's video, and to also subscribe to our channel. Liking and subscribing really helps us out so much, and I really appreciate your support. Whether it's learning about new cultures or engaging in relationships that break away from traditional norms, Filipinas are often willing to explore the unknown. Together, their playful flirting and open-minded spirit form a combination that is hard to resist. Their ability to be both fun and adaptable creates a sense of ease and excitement in relationships, making them engaging wives or girlfriends who are always full of surprises. Hey guys, which lady has really captured your attention as you have been watching today's video? Please let us know who your favorite lady is in the comments section below. Filipina women are interested in Western men for a number of reasons. One reason is because Western men, especially older men, are usually more stable in life. They often have jobs, savings, or even pensions, which makes them able to support a family. In the Philippines, it's common for people to face financial challenges, so having a partner who is financially secure is very attractive. Older men are seen as more serious and ready for long-term relationships, which many Filipinas like. Western men also treat women differently. They often show more respect and are more open in expressing their feelings. Filipinas find this very appealing because it can be different from what they are used to. Many Western men like to talk about their emotions, share their thoughts, and show affection openly, which helps build stronger relationships. Age difference is not a big deal for many Filipinas. In fact, a lot of them prefer older men. Older men are seen as more mature and less likely to cheat or play around. Many young women in the Philippines worry about finding loyal partners because infidelity can be an issue in local relationships. Older men, especially from Western countries, seem more loyal and committed to a long-term relationship. Some Filipinas are also excited by the idea of learning about a new culture. Marrying a Western man might mean getting to travel or even live in another country. This can be a big opportunity for a better life, with more chances for education, work, or just experiencing new things. So, the big question is, why are so many men choosing Filipino women for wives or girlfriends? Western men often find Filipino women to be ideal partners for a variety of reasons, but like in any relationship, it's essential to proceed with caution and make informed decisions. While Filipino women are known for their caring nature, there are always going to be differences in individual personalities and intentions, and it's important for men to choose wisely when seeking a Filipino woman for a long-term relationship. One of the reasons many Western men are drawn to Filipino women is their genuine affection and devotion. Many Filipinas are raised with strong family and religious values, which emphasizes loyalty and caring for their loved ones. This background often translates into deep emotional support and commitment in relationships. Filipinas are known for making their man feel loved and appreciated. These are qualities that many men are missing from the women in their own countries. In addition, Filipino women are often described as resilient and adaptable. Many of them grow up in challenging environments, which fosters a strong sense of perseverance and flexibility. This adaptability is especially important in cross-cultural relationships, where both partners need to be open to learning about and accepting each other's backgrounds. Filipinas are typically open to new experiences and are curious about Western culture, making it easier for relationships to flourish despite cultural differences. However, it's important for men to understand that, like women from any country, not all Filipinas have the same intentions. Some women may not be looking for a serious relationship or may have ulterior motives. When dating online, men need to be extra cautious. Meeting women through dating apps or websites can sometimes present risks, and it's crucial to take the time to really get to know someone before making any serious commitments. A few warning signs to look out for include women who ask for money early on or push for a relationship too quickly without building trust. A wise approach would be to build trust over time through consistent communication, video chats, and even visiting the Philippines if the relationship progresses. This will help you determine if she is sincere and if your relationship is based on genuine feelings rather than financial or other motives. Yes, it's quite possible for Western men to find wonderful wives and girlfriends with Filipino women, but it's essential to take things slowly and be on alert for scams. Not every Filipino woman will be the right fit, and it's crucial to choose someone who shares your values and intentions. With patience and care, these relationships can be fulfilling and long-lasting. Well, guys, this about wraps it up for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more of our future videos. Until next time, take care, and I wish you all the best of luck with finding a sweet Filipino woman for a long and happy relationship. Here's a few of our other videos that you might be interested in watching.